What's up, guys? I'm going to participate in the Average Joe's Garage What's in Your Airbox challenge. So let's go check out what's in my airbox. Let's get her unlocked here. Excuse the dirty mats. Alright. Car's pretty dirty too. Here's what's in my airbox. So I've got the LMI Air Hammer carbon fiber intake, and it is an S&B cone style filter, and it's actually pretty clean because I don't know, maybe I guess it was when I did my oil change I kind of knocked out some of the bug crap and some of the dust and dirt that's in there, but it is actually time to clean and re-oil the filter. So it's actually appropriate that it's that timing, because I'm going to do a little DIY on the steps to how to clean your open element or cone style air filter. So there we go. When this is re-oiled, it's going to be blue, so it's supposed to look like that, but of course over time the oil I guess it evaporates and kind of does its thing and turns to this gray. So we're gonna get that cleaned up and re-oiled, like I said, for my DIY. So stay tuned for that. But there is my participation in the challenge. So shout out to Average Joe's Garage. If you haven't subscribed, please do. There you go. Peace out, guys.